Is DIY foundation repair worth it? I don't know. Is DIY knee surgery worth it? There's certain things that as a DIYer you definitely can do, and they don't have structural implications on your home, just aesthetic implications. Those are projects that I highly suggest trying to DIY. Anyway, what I'm going to do today is go through some information that you really want to think about before making the decision to either DIY your foundation repair or hire a professional company that's going to give you a warranty. So, when it comes to foundation repair, doing it DIY, you're not going to have the training that foundation repair companies do. Going on YouTube does not give you an accreditation to fix foundation repairs. Also, if you watch the wrong video on YouTube, you might be doing it 100% wrong, even though you're following the exact directions that the video's giving you. I think the most important thing when it comes to figuring out whether you should DIY your foundation repair comes down to the products themselves. The biggest reason as to why homeowners should not do DIY foundation repair is because homeowners do not have access to the products that professional foundation repair companies have. For example, our foundation piering system, our carbon fiber system, our interior support system, all of those systems we only have access to because we have been trained by the manufacturer on the exact best practices install, and we have a warranty from the manufacturer as well as from our company that the install has been done correctly, and we can warranty the work that it's going to be done for life. If you do a DIY repair, you're not going to have the access to the same quality of products, and you're not going to have any sort of a warranty besides the fact, I think I did it right. And I think I did it right doesn't really save your foundation from falling down. There's certain projects that you can do that don't have structural ramifications on your home, and all it is cosmetic, and if you can live with it, then that's good. But when it comes to structural repair, if you don't get it right, it has big structural implications on the rest of your home. You could have floors that come in a level, doors that don't open or close, walls that are buckled and caving in, and the list goes on and on. Doing foundation repair can affect the entire home, especially if done incorrectly. When you're doing a DIY project, you do not have the insurance that's going to cover if you have an issue from a DIY repair. It's not going to be covered. If you hire a contractor, they most likely have an insurance policy just in case anything horrible were to happen. At least it's going to be covered and the mistake will be paid for. When you hire a professional contractor, you get peace of mind, you get the assurance that the work is done correctly, you get professional warranties, and you also get the best products that are possibly available to do the work in your home, knowing you're not doing a repair, you're doing the right repair.